Well, since it has been a dark time, eh? What should I do? I should think about this. Wait, what's that? What does it do? It's a pepper shaker. I have the perfect plan. Alright, I'm going to do this on this dummy. Yeah! I had to bring it back out. Anyways, continue! That's some good ranting. Good ranting. Not if I, of course, the great Dora can do something. Now is that over? Wait, something doesn't feel right about me. Feel like... What is going on? Oh God, what is going on? That was amazing. Now, Pikachu's next. I'm the perfect antagonist for story. Alright, there's Pikachu.
Such a nice day outside, eh? Nothing's gonna ruin my day.
Oh, sure it will. As long as I have my trusty pepper shaker here.
What can possibly go wrong? Something doesn't even feel like something. What is going on with me today? What is going on? What is going on? I'm sneezing all of a sudden.
Oh my God, that was amazing!
Sis, do you know what's going on?
I don't know, but I feel something all of a sudden.
Yeah, I know. But who was it?
I don't know.
Well, in any case, whoever it is, I will electrocute that thing.
Electrocute? I have my psychic powers. So I guess I can do that.
So, have any clue?
Triple bless you, Pikachu.
What's going on with me?
You don't even know what's going on. Oh, I'll show you what's going on. What is going on with me today?
Unlike my face.
Someone must be doing it.
Or what?
Wait, I think I know who it is.
Who? Who do you think it is?
It is Dora.
Dora?
Yes, you heard me right. Our not so good nemesis.
You must be correct. It must be Dora. Let's go get her revenge.
What are we about to do? She can hear us at any time.
I have a plan.
Oh, sounds like a great plan.
Yep. Just part of my plan.
I have no idea what. I just heard from them. Is the trap all set? Yes, I think so. Good. Now I just need to know who it is. You really think hiding behind this is a good idea?
Yeah, I think it's a good idea. Using your dummy is gonna be something.
Oh my god, now you're gonna make me have more allergies.
I know, I'll give you some allergy pills.
Alright. I see something. Get down.
It's something. An impersonator!
No one's around. Well, I guess I can do it on her. Hey, impersonator, I have something for you. What? That's nothing? Let me try it again. Oh, this is strange. There's nothing you can do. Who was it? It's Dora. It's Dora, but in a Nerf form. What? Yeah, really. I don't know what to move. What is he gonna do? Thunderbolt. Oh my god, that sounds good. Do it. Next time. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Fall for my master plan. Fall for my master plan. Surprise! Ah! Very surprisingly sneezy. Ah!
Never do that again.
Wait, you get her?
Yep, I got her.
Yay! What about his hitbox? Ah!
You mean punching bag?
Still the same, Pikachu.
We're gonna need something to clean that off.